kidding. I'm Captain Starlight. Hi, welcome to another Fun with Captain Starlight Unbox and Play. Today we are playing with Imaginext's DC Super Friends, the Bat Tech Batcave. Oh, but before we get started, can you please do me a big favor? Can you please like this video and hit that subscribe button? Did you do it? Oh, thank you so much. Let's get into it. This BatTech Batcave comes with one projectile launcher, one removable bat wing, 4 bat accessories. It's got a light up power chamber. I don't know what that is. And the most exciting part, Batman. Should we just leave it in the box? Nah, I think we should unbox it. I think this might be the bat wing. Wing wing! Oh, hello. Oh, hi Batman. Let's open it! Whoa! What? Yes! Whoa! I don't know how many BatTech Batcaves you've seen, but this is the coolest one I've ever seen in my life. Oh, what's in here? And I'm gonna tip it out here. Wow! Oh, good parking, Batman. Thanks. Oh, can you please show me around your BatTech Batcave?
Oh, I'd love to! Alright, so this is my Batwing park. I'll park it here, and whoop! So this is where I do my controlling. Up and down, and up and down.
Oh, you must have very strong legs, Batman.
Up and down, and up and down.
And then over here, pshoo! Whoa, let's launch! Okay, that goes in there. And let's see how far we can launch today, Batman. 3, 2, 1. Pew! Whoa! That went so far. Did you see how far that went? Please continue with your house tour.
It's not a house, it's a BatTech Batcave. This is where I do my disco dancing. And this is where I like to meditate.
Oh no, I've locked him in the cage. How should we get him out? Batman, I'm so sorry. Oh, you can just open the,
Oh, that tour really took it out of me. Can you please put me in my power charger?
Sure thing, Batman.
Just in here. I'm gonna have a little nap.
Oh no. 3, 2, 1. What a super time we've had with Batman. DC Super Friends. If you want to see more videos, check out the link down below. And, Batman, do you have any more final words?
Oh yes! Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for playing!